Insert the long adjustment screw through the bottom of the arm and through the hole at the top of the arm. Attach the mount arm to the wall plate. Insert the adjustment screw through the hole at the top of the wall plate, then slide the screw into the notch at the bottom of the wall plate. Use the included screws and washers to secure the arm to the wall plate. Attach the projector to the mount arm, sliding from the right side to the left. To secure the projector, reinsert the 2 large safety screws you removed previously. You will need to slide the projector to the right to insert the second screw. When you're done inserting the safety screws, tighten this screw.